to make a YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make a YouTube channel quite easily. So creating a YouTube channel is quite simple. There are very few steps that you need to know in order to create your account. So first of all, in order to have a YouTube account or a channel of your own, you need to have an email address. So for example, as you can see that I have this particular email address that I have just created, and in order to create this particular YouTube account. So now I have created this email address, but my YouTube account has not been created yet. As you can see, I have opened the YouTube with this email address and it says create. That means I have no YouTube channel from this particular email. And once you have the email address, just simply click on this create section from the top right corner of your screen. And as soon as you And as soon as you click on it, it says upload video. Just simply click on it. Now you have to enter your name first of all, and then you have to enter the handle name of your YouTube account. So for example, I have added the name sample, and sample T9V is the handle name. Now just simply click on create. You can customize the name and the handle name as per your liking, and click on create channel. So I have actually created and used multiple names, which and now it is asking me to create the channel after 24 hours. So once you have entered your name and the handle name, you just simply have to click on create channel. And once your channel is created, then you are good to go to upload your videos and customize your channel by uploading your channel logo and the background image, and also entering the intro for your channel and other details. And once all of this is done, just enter your email address and link your email address to your YouTube channel, and you are good to go. So this is basically how you will be able to make a YouTube channel quite easily. I hope you find this video to be helpful.